गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, मैं इला आज आपके लिए पार्ट 2 लेके आई हूँ सेंटेंसेस विद ईडियम्स। ओके, तो शुरू करते हैं। आजकल स्वार्थ का ज़माना है। सेल्फिशनेस इज़ द ऑर्डर ऑफ द डे। सेल्फिशनेस इज़ द ऑर्डर ऑफ द डे। उसको हिम्मत नहीं कि मेरे सामने बोले। He dare not speak before me. He dare not speak before me. वह बेशरम है। He is shame proof. He is shame proof. उसने मेरी नाक में दम कर रखा है। He has got on my nerves. He has got on my nerves. मैं उससे झगड़ने की हिम्मत नहीं करता। I dare not quarrel with her. I dare not quarrel with her. लिखने में गलती हो गई। This is only a slip of the pen. This is only a slip of the pen. भगवान पर भरोसा रखो और ठीक कार्य करो। Trust in God and do the right. Trust in God and do the right. हॉल खचाखच भरा था। The hall was packed to capacity. The hall was packed to capacity. CAPACITY. नीम हकीम से बचो। Beware of quacks. Beware of quacks. QUACKS. यह तुम्हारा काम नहीं है। It is none of your business. It is none of your business. उसकी जान में जान आई। He heaved a sigh of relief. या he took a sigh of relief. He heaved HEAVED a sigh SIGH of relief RELIEF. लेन देन नकद। Terms in cash. Terms in cash. ज़रा देखो कितना समय है। Just see what time it is. Just see what time it is. आजकल मेरी जेब खाली है। I am empty pocket these days. I am empty pocket these days. सारी कक्षा उसका मजाक बनाती है। He is the butt of the class. BUTT. He is the butt of the class. उसकी आंखों में आंसू भर आए। Tears welled up in his eyes. WELLED. Welled up in his eyes. बातें बनाना करके दिखाने से आसान है। Talking is easier than doing. Talking is easier than doing. वे गाली गलौज से हाथापाई पर आ गए। From hot words they came to blows. From hot words they came to blows. BLOWS. वह प्रायः मूर्खता कर बैठता है। He often plays the fool. He often plays the fool. तुम कामचोर हो। You are a shriker. You are a shriker. SHIRKER. Shriker. दूध फट गया है। The milk has turned sour. SOUR. The milk has turned sour. बच्चा दांत निकाल रहा है। The child is cutting tooth. The child is cutting tooth. प्रतिदिन हालात खराब हो रहे हैं। Things are going worse day by day. Things are going worse day by day. यह मेरे बस की बात नहीं। It is beyond my capacity. It is beyond my capacity. वह तो हाँ में हाँ मिलाना जानता है। He is only a yes man. He is only a yes man. यह मकान किराए के लिए खाली है। This house is to let. This house is to let. तुमने मुझे 1 रुपया कम दिया है। You have given me 1 rupee short. You have given me 1 rupee short. यह बच्चा बड़ा प्यारा लगता है। This child looks very lovely. This child looks very lovely. मेरा सिर चक्कर खा रहा है। I am feeling giddy. I am feeling giddy. मैं इस बकवास को सहन नहीं कर सकता। I cannot stand this nonsense. I cannot stand this nonsense. अपने मुँह मियाँ मिट्ठू। Self praise is no recommendation. Self praise is no recommendation. उसकी सारी आशाएं मिट्टी में मिल गईं। All his hopes are doomed. DOOMED. All his hopes are doomed. आपने मेरे मन की बात कह दी है। You have spoken out my mind. You have spoken out my mind. वहाँ जाने से कोई लाभ नहीं है. It is not worth while going away there. It is not worth while going there. जहाँ चाहा वहाँ रहा. Where there is a will, there is a way. Where there is a will, there is a way. वह नौकरी के लिए मारा मारा फिरता रहा. He knocked about for a job. He knocked about for a job. वह हर बात में मनमानी करता है. He has his own way in everything. He has his own way in everything. जैसा देश वैसा भेष. While in Rome, do as the Romans do. While in Rome, do as the Romans do. मैं उसे शक्ल से जानता हूँ, नाम से नहीं. I know him by face and not by name. I know him by face and not by name. वह हमेशा मेरे रास्ते में टांग अड़ाता है. He always stands in my way. He always stands in my way. सरसों हाथ पर नहीं उगती. Rome was not built in a day. Rome was not built in a day. मैंने अपने जीवन का बीमा करा लिया है. I have got my life insured. I have got my life insured. तुम्हारी बातों से वह चिढ़ गया. Your remarks cut him to the quick. Your remarks cut him to the quick. Quick. वह किताबी कीड़ा है. He is a bookworm. He is a bookworm. WORM. मैं जीऊँ या मरूँ तुम्हारी बला से. You care little whether I live or die. You care little whether I live or die. वह तुम्हारे भले की बात है. It is in your interest. It is in your interest. उसने अपने जीवन में बहुत उतार चढ़ाव देखे हैं. He has seen many ups and downs in his life. He has seen many ups and downs in his life. उसने कुल की नाक कटवा दी. He has brought a disgrace to the family. He has brought a disgrace to the family. Disgrace. 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 GRACE. जहाँ निराशा वहाँ आशा. Every cloud has a silver lining. Every cloud has a silver lining. मुझे घर पर ज़रूरी काम है. I have an urgent piece of work at home. I have an urgent piece of work at home. मैंने शाम का समय किसी को दे रखा है. My evening is booked. My evening is booked. उचित समय पर प्रयास करो. Strike the iron when it is hot. Strike the iron when it is hot. एक म्यान में दो तलवारें नहीं समा सकती. Two of a trade seldom agree. Two of a trade seldom agree. हॉल में पूर्ण शांति थी. There was a pin drop silence in the hall. There was a pin drop silence in the hall. तुमने सारा खेल बिगाड़ दिया. You spoiled the whole game. You spoiled the whole game. उसका चिल्लाते चिल्लाते गला बैठ गया. He cried himself hoarse. He cried himself hoarse. HOARSE. सुबह का भूला शाम को वापस आ जाए तो उसे भूला नहीं कहते. It is never too late to mend. It is never too late to mend. MEND. उसके दिमाग में कुछ खराबी है. There is some screw loose in his mind. There is some screw loose in his mind. आप तो व्यर्थ ही मुझसे नाराज हो रहे हैं. You are getting cross with me for nothing. You are getting cross with me for nothing. चिराग तले अंधेरा. Nearer the church, farther from heaven. Nearer the church, farther from heaven. शक्कर खोरे को भगवान शक्कर दे ही देता है. Spend and God will send. Spend and God will send. मुझे इस बारे में कुछ पता नहीं. I am in the dark about this matter. I am in the dark about this matter. उसने हर अवस्था में मेरा साथ दिया. He stood by me through thick and thin. He stood by me through thick and thin. वह हर बात में मनमानी करता है. He has his own way in everything. He has his own way in everything. यह तो केवल दिखावा है. It is only an eye wash. It is only an eye wash. धैर्य रखो. इतने निराश मत हो. Buck up. Don't feel so downcast. Buck up. Don't feel so downcast. CAST. बच्चे का टिकट आधा लगता है. Children travel half fare. Children travel half fare. FARE. नमस्ते, अब मैं जाता हूँ. Goodbye, I am off now. I am now off. Goodbye, I am now off. So friends, goodbye. नेक्स्ट लेसन लेके मैं फिर आऊँगी. तब तक के लिए कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग एंड कीप लर्निंग इंग्लिश. बाय बाय.